Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to study lesson number 2 of English, that is the orange butterfly. So we are going to learn a story. I will tell you a story about the orange butterfly. Okay my dear children, so are you all excited to listen to the story? Yes, okay. Now let us move towards the story. Before that, I'll ask few questions. Have you seen a butterfly? Yes, we all might have seen a butterfly, right? So, do you think that butterflies are beautiful? What makes you think so, that butterflies are beautiful? And how many wings do butterflies have? Okay, I'll tell all the answers of the question, but before that, let us see the new words that we have already studied in our last session. Let us review it, okay? First is lily. Lily means it is a white flower with a thin, long stem, okay? So, lily is the name of flower. Patterns. Pattern means the designs that are repeated, okay? Next is sets off. Sets off means to start off. Okay. Next is wise. Wise means who are able to think what is good and what is bad. Alright. Next is stripes. Stripes means long narrow bands. Alright. Next is bright. Bright means a light color which is shining. Okay. That is known as bright. Strong. Strong means powerful, okay, or who are having lot of energy. Now, these are the new words that we have seen in the last session. Now, my dear children, let us start the story, okay. So, the story is about the orange butterfly. Now, we already know what is butterfly, and butterfly looks very beautiful. Okay, why does it look beautiful? Because it is of different colors. There are so many butterflies which are very colorful. Okay, whereas some butterflies are having one single color. Okay, so we will study about the orange butterfly. Now, from the title itself, you will understand that the butterfly is of orange color. Okay. Now, I'll tell the story of that butterfly. So, the name of butterfly was Jiggy. What was the name of butterfly? The name of butterfly was Jiggy. Now, once upon a time, Jiggy was flying from one flower to another flower. Now, that's what butterflies do all the time. Right? What butterflies do? They keep on flying from one flower to another flower. Alright. So, Jiggy was doing the same thing. Jiggy was flying from one flower to another flower, and when she was flying, that time she heard something. Okay, lily means the flower. Okay, it was talking to rose, and what it was saying? The butterflies that come from other garden are so colorful. Okay, now Jiggy was a plain orange butterfly. I have made the picture here. Alright. So, Jiggy was same like this. Jiggy was an orange butterfly. Alright. What Lily was talking to Rose? That the butterflies that come from other garden. Okay. Butterflies that come from other garden are so colorful. Okay. And now Rose adds that they have different patterns too. Patterns like some are having stripes, some are having dots. Alright. So, now orange butterfly was plain. Right? Our orange butterfly means Jiggy was plain. It was just a plain orange butterfly. Jiggy was plain orange butterfly. So, now she thought to herself that I must see these butterflies. Now, she felt very bad about it, that she is just a plain orange butterfly and other butterflies are so colorful. Now Lily and Rose were talking about that butterflies, that they have different types of patterns too. So what she thought to herself? She thought that I'll go and see that butterflies. Now the next morning Jiggy set off to see the other butterflies, and she started her journey towards the other garden. So what she did? She hugged her parents and started her journey. Alright, my dear children. So while she was going towards the other garden, she met flowers on the way. Okay, and she asked the flowers that where is the other garden. So the wise sunflower. Now sunflower was wise. He was knowing everything. Okay. So sunflower said that the garden is near the lake. Okay. So Jiggy started her journey. On the way, she saw many tall trees and big houses. Okay. So after that, she flew for so many hours, and after flying for so many hours, she finally saw a big lake. And when she went forward, she saw the garden, and that garden was filled with so beautiful butterflies. Alright, so as she was moving forward, a yellow color and blue color butterfly came towards Jiggy, and behind them was a butterfly with red dots. That all butterflies were very beautiful. Okay, so when they came near Jiggy, what they asked? That, wow, you look so beautiful. Okay, what the butterfly said? That you look so beautiful. You are a plain orange butterfly. We also wish that we could have a body like you with no patterns. Now the butterflies which were there in other garden, they were very beautiful. They were having different colors and different patterns, right? But still, when they saw Jiggy, so Jiggy was a plain orange butterfly, right? So when they saw Jiggy, they were very surprised, and what they told Jiggy? That you are very beautiful. They all told Jiggy that you are very beautiful, and we also wish that we could have a body like you with no patterns at all. So what happened? After listening this, Jiggy thought that I am like an orange fruit. Okay, and she also thought about herself that she is very strong. Now my dear children, this was the story of Jiggy. What Jiggy thought at the end? That she is very powerful. She could fly all the way to other garden. Right? This was why she thought she was powerful. Now, my dear children, I would like to tell you something. Right? Sometimes what happens? We have many friends. Okay? And we get inspired by some. And we also like some friends. Some are fair, some are beautiful, some have curly hairs, someone's eyes are blue, okay? And some are very talented, some are very intelligent. Whenever teacher is teaching us, we think that they are giving immediate answers, right? So, what we feel that they are very good, they are looking very beautiful, their eyes are very nice, their hair is very nice, okay? But what we never think about ourselves. We never think about our beauty. Okay? What we just keep on comparing with ourselves with other person. So we should not do these things. We should not think about others. Everyone is beautiful in their own way. Always remember this. What? That everyone is beautiful in their own way. Yes. Some people might be good than us, okay? But we are also good than some people, right? So we should not think ourselves as less than anyone. We should be happy with whatever we are, whatever we have. Now Jiggy thought she is strong, she is powerful. Why she thought? Because she could fly to other garden. So my dear children, we all are blessed. Okay? How? We are able to walk properly, we are able to talk, we are able to eat, right? We get food for 2 times, 3 times, as many times we wish for, right? And we are also wearing nice dresses. So we all are blessed that we are having all these things with us. Okay? Even we are able to pick up something. Like I have picked up this picture. That means we are having hands and we are beautiful. Okay? We are blessed. We are blessed that we are doing our own work. We are not dependent on anyone. So we should be thankful. We should be grateful for that things. Alright? We should not compare ourselves with other people. We should be happy with whatever we have and whatever we are. Whoever we are, we should be happy for that. Okay? So, my dear children, I hope that you have understood the moral of story. The moral of story is that everyone is beautiful in their own way. We should not compare anyone with us, or we should not compare ourselves with anyone. Okay? Thank you so much.